My heart is beating fast. So, 3, 2, 1. So, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Nadhir. I am from High School Junior 6 Banjarmasin. So, before my speech, I'm going to ask you a question. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a simple question. So, imagine I have two boxes over here. Each of these box have an apple. So, if I make you choose, which one will you choose? The good box or the bad box? Uh, can someone choose? Do you want to choose? Oh, do this. Let me guess. You are choosing this because you know I'm going to talk about inner beauty versus outer beauty. So you think to yourself, this guy gonna talk about inner beauty. So I'm going to choose the bad box because it's inner beauty. So he must put the good apple in the bad box. Am I right? Yes. So from that little question, that's just a little example for what I am going to talk about today. Of course, you know what I'm going to talk about today, and that is inner beauty versus outer beauty. So, welcome everyone to my speech. Okay, so what is inner beauty and what is outer beauty? From www.apexuniversity.co.in, it states that inner beauty refers to the character or personality from a person, and outer beauty refers to looks of a person. So, of course, if the person have good mindset or good character, he or she have good personality or have inner beauty. If he or she have good slash beautiful slash attractive looks, then he slash she have outer beauty. So instead of I'm talking about inner beauty or outer beauty for like 5 minutes straight, I'm going to take that to battle. So let's take the extreme. Let's battle them. Let's see from a scenario who actually wins, inner beauty or outer beauty. So let's take scenario one from the oh yeah, the story, a fairy tale, and this is my favorite. This is my favorite, the Beauty and the Beast. So from this story, the beauty slash the princess is forced to choose to marry a handsome prince with bad inner beauty, or she can marry a bad ugly monster with a good heart. And of course, because this is a fairy tale, of course, the princess choose the bad, ugly monster with a good heart. So that's round one. So is that it? Is inner beauty is the best? Because the princess choose the good-hearted monster. So does that mean the inner beauty ones? Yes, but actually no, because that is in fairy tales. But in real life, no, no, no. Because let's take it to scenario two. Let's make it round two. In real life, if you are a girl and I make you choose to marry a handsome prince but with bad personality, with a monster with a good heart, 99.9% of you will gonna choose the prince because, like, he is handsome, and that is just a sad fact of life, a truth that it must overcome. Because sometime or most of the time, people will see looks more than heart. So, is that it? Does outer beauty one in real life? Well, I said most of the time. So, sometime rarely, there's a chance that inner beauty can get on top. And if you wanted an example of it, let's just take artist from Indonesia. You know the artist is Sule. You know Sule. So Sule is an artist that have a lot of fans. A lot of people like him. But is he really handsome? No, right? Not really. I'm not saying he's ugly or something, but he's not really that handsome. But a lot of people like him because he has that inner beauty. He is funny, he can make everyone smile, he's a nice guy, and that means he has inner beauty. So, um, what I'm trying to say here is that if you can have good looks, if you cannot have good looks, well, at least you can try to have a good heart, right? So to wrap things up, what's the meaning here? What did I want to talk about? What is the grand finale? Who wins between inner beauty versus outer beauty? And that answer is in your hand. You choose who wins, inner beauty or outer beauty, because that answer is up to you. It's up to your heart. So I think that's all for my speech. Thank you so much for listening in, and goodbye. Iqbal, you are the first uh, male student to talk about beauty, inner and outer beauty. Yes. Do you choose this topic yourself? Yes, I chose this topic myself. Because it's interesting. Because I cannot have a relation to it. Right. Okay, that's good. You challenge yourself. Okay, so first of all, just tips. You are using microphone, so maybe this one static and this one is just don't move this now. You can just use it and put only one hand, because sometimes your microphone and the beginning using that two boxes. That's really unique. It's basic. You have yeah, you have using outro. You have a warmer. Call it that a warmer. Right, and then you don't really talk about what is beauty, what is inner beauty. You are battling them. Yes, I am just taking them for a battle because you already know what is inner beauty and what is outer beauty. I'm not going to waste your time to listen the same thing over and over again. Right. Right. Let me ask you a similar question to others who are learning this topic. Um, which one should we invest? Which one should we take care of more, especially now? Inner beauty or outer beauty? Or let me make it easier. Which one we should take care first? Inner beauty or outer? Well, as I say, it's up to you. If you say you want a good looks, then choose outer beauty because it's yourself and you want a good looks. And if you do that, just choose outer beauty. But if you want to have a good heart, to have people, to make people smile, then choose inner beauty. Can we have both? Of course, if you want to. Alright, thank you very much. So my own question here. Okay, so it's a good idea, by the way. Your approach to this topic is really different compared to the other participants. Mostly, they're talking about what is inner beauty and what is outer beauty, but now you make a point. Yeah. So you even ask the audience to decide by themselves. It's really good idea. But here I have some suggestion for you. For that, do you try to describe yourself? Yes, I want to describe myself.
I can see that from the usage of slash. Yeah, you
Yeah.
write slash
Yeah,
there.
I heard slash. I remember slash.
Yeah, it's different when we are making a script and present it. So if you present it, don't say slash, just say or. She or he, blah blah blah, blah something like that. Make it simple. It will complicate, yeah, your mind if you say slash many times. But it's good script. I can see that you really invest your time while making it. It's original, really original. It's good. It's a plus for me. Um, Here we are talking about inner beauty and also outer beauty. And for inner beauty, that means we need to have a good character, right?
Right.
Do you have any suggestion? How can we have a good character?
Now, that is the fun part. I actually have that answer in my script, but I cut it because the time problem.
Okay.
So, if you want to have a good personality, just remember this: be nice, help others when needed, and just smile. That's what I can suggest to you. I cannot suggest any other thing. Just that three: be nice, help those who need it, and just smile.
Okay, to sum it up, we need to be a positive person, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.